Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and you know what today is? That's right, it's Embarkation Day. I'm getting ready to hop on that Norwegian Getaway for a 9-day cruise. I'm taking you guys along with me. It's very early Saturday morning. The ship actually shoves off at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I got a priority pass, so I'm going to see how early I can get on that ship. But I'm going to take you guys along with me all day, all the way from the ride to the train station. Then I'll take you along on the train a little bit. Then we'll take an Uber to the cruise terminal, the Manhattan cruise terminal, and then we'll get on that ship. So you'll be with me all day long. We'll take things from there, and it's going to be an exciting, very busy day. So my initial plan was to park in Manhattan. There's a parking garage, actually several parking garages right around the cruise terminal. But I went online and I heard horror stories of people making reservations for long-term parking, paying for them, showing up to park their car and finding out that the parking garage won't accept their car because there's no room after making a reservation and everything. And cruise ships don't wait for you, so these people either had to find another parking spot somewhere in New York City and find a way to get back to the terminal, or they were going to miss their ship. So I didn't want to go through all that. So I decided to park in Jersey City. I'm very familiar with Jersey City. I used to live in Jersey City years ago. And there's a PATH station there. So I'm going to park at the PATH station. They do have long-term parking. I know it's not going to be an issue. I've used it tons of times before. I'm going to hop on the PATH train to Herald Square, which is the last station for the PATH train, which is right by Macy's, by the way. And the cruise terminal is only about 10 blocks away, so I'm just going to hop on an Uber to the cruise terminal. So hopefully all this works out. It seems like a good plan, but you never know until things get rolling, right? So fingers crossed. If you follow the New York community room, you know that preparing for this cruise was quite a bit of work, and I would have much rather had a travel agent, which, lesson learned, this is my first cruise, and if you plan on doing a cruise in the future, use a travel agent. They don't cost anything. The cruise company pays for their services, so they make sure, as far as the travel agent's concerned, they make sure that all your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted and all your paperwork's in order and your reservations are made, and they pretty much got your back. I did not use a travel agent. Lesson learned, next time I am. So a lot of preparation. Like a month ago I had to apply for a traveler's approval to enter Bermuda, which is part of this cruise. I took care of that. I had to prepare for a COVID test just 2 days ago. You have to be tested 2 days prior to embarkation. The ship doesn't require that anymore, but the island of Bermuda does. So you cannot board the ship if it's going to Bermuda and you haven't been COVID tested. And basically you have to do that on your laptop in front of a camera. They actually, the third party actually witnesses your COVID test and make sure that it's negative. Anyway, I have all that paperwork together as well. Lots of work. I think I got everything in order. I double checked and triple checked before I left the house this morning. So hopefully things are going to run smoothly. I am approaching the Holland Tunnel, which is right by where I'm going to be parking. So talk to you guys soon. By the way, if you don't check out the community room on the New York channel, I don't know why. You're missing a lot of information, a lot of community interactivity. So check it out. It's that tab right on top of the New York homepage, the New York channel homepage. So check that community room out. It's updated several times a week, if not at least maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So check it out. Lots going on there. Alrighty, so I parked in the garage. The path station that's going to take me to Herald Square is right at the bottom of this garage. Very convenient. Hold on tight. Once I got above ground, I had a little issue with the Uber app, so I just hailed a good old yellow New York taxi. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. About 2.5 hours from my front door to the ship, so it wasn't bad at all. I thought it would be a little bit longer, but that's cool. It's not even open yet. It's going to open in a few minutes, so I'll head inside shortly. I'm in the Manhattan cruise terminal now. I have a boarding time of, not a boarding time, but a check-in time of between 9 and 9:30. It is almost 9 o'clock. There's a crowd already here. Not a big one, but a crowd already here. And hopefully I will get all my paperwork done, go through security, and wait again. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe to the New York channel if you haven't done so already. And click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded here on the New York channel. Well, looks like I'm getting on. Been through security, and now we're gonna walk the I think it's called the gangplank, and board the ship. And just like that, I'm aboard the Getaway. Now I gotta find my room. So they're letting people on board, but the rooms aren't ready yet. They said they're gonna make an announcement as far as when the rooms are gonna be ready. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, get to learn about the ship. Just enjoying some free drinks while I'm waiting for my cabin to be ready. I'm in the atrium. There's a nice bar behind me. Right now I'm ordering some spiced rum and Coke. See there. I'm in the atrium right now. I think today I am going to take it easy and not record that much. I'm going to, of course, record the sail away party, and there's another big party later in the evening. Of course, I'm going to record those. But other than that, today I think I'm just going to take it easy. I'm very tired, so I'm going to take a nap and then see what goes on. I'm going to walk around the ship, see what's what, and then really start recording sometime tomorrow. But today, just gonna take it easy and relax, except for those sail away parties. Those I'm looking forward to, and of course I'm gonna record those. Alrighty, they finally made the announcement. I am on the 10th floor. In the studio lounges, which are down this way. The cool thing about the studio lounges is they have their own access. It's like a private little area with a its own lounge, and it's all single occupancies. Here it is here, studio lounge, and you need a key to get into this area. And I'm not going to give you a lounge tour or a studio tour right now. But this is pretty cool. I'm going to give you the longer tour later. Right now I just want to get into the room and show you where that is. Hey, click on that thanks button. Show your support for the New York channel. I am all the way down the end here. 5:15. And so I'm in studio room 10/515. I showed you a little bit of the lounge. Not going to show you the studio yet. Going to give you a whole studio tour and lounge tour in a separate video. It's been a long day. It's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I think before I do anything, I'm going to take a little nappy nap. And big party tonight. Actually, there's 2 big parties tonight. I want to check out both of them, and of course I'm going to videotape them for you guys. So stay tuned to the New York channel. Lots more coming here from the Norwegian Getaway, as well as the usual Atlantic City and Las Vegas. Talk to you guys soon.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.